Hey there, fellow prompt warriors. So today I wanted to kind of show you next level how to use LLMs to help finding new opportunities, specifically finding new jobs. So I tried this kind of new technique. I tried it with several different large language models. I tried it with Perplexity, Gemini, Claude, but so far the only one it works with consistently after lots of prompt engineering is O3, so ChatGPT O3. All right, so the basis of the prompt is to get ChatGPT to act as a reverse recruiter. You feed it the information you want, specifically your resume. It goes out there, searches the web, finds opportunities for you, and then using your resume and the back and forth conversation that you would actually have with a regular headhunter recruiter, it tries to find opportunities that it feels would fit you the best and shows you a few first, and then it comes back and does a deeper search once you actually say, okay, yeah, you're right on the money. All right, so let me dive in, show you how it works. Okay, so let me just quickly show you how to do it. So I'll actually share the prompt with you later on. So don't worry about trying to copy everything because it took me a few iterations to get a prompt that works consistently. And it's pretty long, but basically you're getting ChatGPT to act as a reverse recruiter. Alright. Then you're dumping in your resume, and then you're having a few conversations with it before it does its initial search. So put in my anonymized resume. You don't have to anonymize it if you don't want to. I just chose to do it this time, and to kind of broaden the search further. Throw it in there. So it's going to start thinking about it, reading the document, and then we're going to start having a conversation about what I'm looking for, what type of roles could fit me. So it's going to analyze my resume, give like brief conversation. It's going to avoid trying, it's going to try to sound more exactly like a resume hunter. So now it's quickly pulling out some key information that it found that kind of jumped out from my resume. And the key is that it's going to be looking through different websites, different companies to find roles that it feels like will actually fit me. All right. So before I dive into a live search, I need to calibrate a few comfort zone parameters so I only surface roles you can hit the ground running in. So lateral possibilities. So I prepped it to ask about other roles and kind of what things that it might want to look for. So based off of my resume, again, I anonymized it so it doesn't have any job titles. It doesn't have anything like that. It's just pulling kind of directly off of what it sees in my resume. So I tell it, yeah, all those sound good. And I'm going to keep this very broad to begin with. I don't have a target title yet. Deal breakers. I want to steer clear of things that are a bit questionable. So, I prefer remote. But I am open to anything in the US or UK. Now for skills, I'm not the best at programming, so Okay. Alright. Next. Alright, now I'll just tell it to have at it. Alright. Go find me some roles. Now, when I would have Gemini, Claude, even Perplexity, I was really surprised about Perplexity. When I would have them do some of the searches, they would find these roles, and I'd be like, "Oh my gosh, that's like the perfect job!" I could see myself doing that. And then I click on it, and I kept getting like 404 errors, and websites telling me, "Hey, what are you talking about? This job doesn't even exist." And I went back, and I was like, "Hey, did you make this job up?" And all of them, sure enough, except for O3, because it's very good. O3, I find, is very good at following instructions. We're like, oh yeah, I wanted to find the best possible role for you, so I found a company that fit you and made a role. And it was, that doesn't work. I mean, I guess I could reach out to the CEO and tell him, hey, I should work for your company doing this role, but at the same time, um, I kind of wanted to focus on positions that are actually, real. So call me crazy for wanting the AI to actually find real things and not just make up fantasy roles. Maybe one day I'll have it kind of go back and forth and kind of make a role and then hire for that role and then build a whole company with a whole bunch of AI agents all working. But the thing I like about ChatGPT when it does it is it kind of is really taking its time to search through and pull out potential roles. I was hopeful that Claude 4, the brand new one that just came out, was going to do that too. And I tried it a few times, and I actually went back to it and told it, hey, can you tell me how to adjust my prompt so you just stop making up rules? And I took those feedback that it gave in and put it in there, but it still decided to make those rules up. All right, so the good thing about ChatGPT when it does it puts it in a nice little table telling me the role, how it feels like I fit it, the company, gives me a link directly to that role, time posted, location, and why it thinks I fit that. And click on the role, so Senior Data Partnership Associate. Alright. Regulatory Intelligence Agent. It might be a little out of my purview. Usually with regulatory you want a bit more heavy in the CMC area, which I'm not in. So I'll give it feedback. Enough regulatory experience for the systems role. So it gave me a few quick searches. Then it's going to, once I give it the feedback, it's going to use that to do a deeper search. So solutions consultant, IT and data. Let's take a look at that one. That's probably another maybe not. This would be a stretch, but maybe I could try. Alright. I'll also ask it, did you find any direct match roles? All right. So now it's going to take my feedback and it's going to feel free to really think and look for additional roles. So that's kind of all I wanted to show you. Again, I'll send you the prompt as well, or I'll put the prompt in the description, whatever, but you'll have that. And let me know how it works for you, whether or not you've got made up jobs too, what AI you ended up using. But yeah, let's just have a conversation. Let's try to get this prompt to the next level.